play Kikoy. Going to work. No. Stormy day. Oh my gosh. I thought winter is over, but still here. To all drivers, drive safely. Especially to my son. Alright. The road is very... Look at that. Hello mga kakikoy ko. Ayan, today is cloudy. But yesterday very snowfall yesterday. Oh no. Alright, so this is Canada. Ayan, update ko lang kayo, no.